Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make meringue powder. First, you'll need 1 large egg white, 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. Make sure your mixing bowl and whisk are completely clean and dry. Any trace of grease can prevent the meringue from forming properly. Carefully separate the egg white from the yolk, as even a tiny bit of yolk can ruin the mixture. This simple method yields a versatile ingredient for your baking needs. Now, using an electric mixer, begin beating the egg white on medium speed. Continue beating until it starts to form soft peaks. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Once you see those soft peaks, gradually sprinkle in the 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Keep beating the mixture until it becomes glossy and holds stiff peaks. This indicates it's ready for the next step, ensuring a stable meringue powder. Next, preheat your oven to a very low temperature, about 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Carefully spread the whipped meringue mixture onto the parchment paper in a very thin, even layer. This thinness is crucial for proper drying. Bake for approximately 2 hours, or until the meringue is completely dry and brittle to the touch. It should snap easily when cooled. Once the dried meringue has cooled completely, break it into smaller pieces. Transfer these pieces to a food processor or a high-speed blender. Process until you achieve a very fine, consistent powder. This homemade meringue powder can be stored in an airtight container in a cool, dry place for up to 3 months. It's perfect for royal icing or stabilizing whipped cream. Check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your fresh, homemade meringue powder in your next baking project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.